Hey guys, and welcome to my diary design for August. August's color scheme is purple and yellow, and the main scheme is summer, lavender and spikelets. Let's start by showing you how to draw lavender flowers and spikelets of wheat. There are two variants of how to draw a lavender flower. In the first variant, we draw lavender petals along the whole length of the stem. I like the second variant more. For comparison, let's take a real lavender. You see on it, the petals are arranged in bunches, unwavelly. So I draw in my diary flowers on the second option. Somewhere they get more, somewhere less, so even better. Now I will show how I draw spikelets. Greens I draw pointed, the higher up the stem, the less they are, and vice versa. Then from the green to the side we draw the tendrils of the ear. That's it, nothing complicated. Now let's move on to the design of the first spread. On the left page I will have a wreath with lavender and spikelets, inside of which is the name of the month. Last month I chose a very complicated font for the design in medieval style. If you missed it, the link is in the corner of the video. So this month it will be as simple a font as possible, sometimes embellished with flowers. At the bottom of the page I am drawing a purple butterfly with a yellow shadow. To be honest, I didn't know how to finalize the design of this page. It felt kind of empty, so the next day I will come back and finish it. In the meanwhile, I decorate the page with gold and lilac tape and add dots and stars. On that page on the right, I'm drawing a mini calendar on a vintage note like this. As I said, the next day I decided to add more flowers and ears so that the page wouldn't look so empty. It turned out that the plants, as if climbing out of the wreath borders, and spreads all over the page. Then in the right corner I want to make a collage. The basis for the collage will be craft paper. And the collage itself I collect from a lavender flower, stickers with a jar of wildflowers, and samples of colors of this month, on which I write very compact quote, "Move on." Below I add a tape with the purple flowers as a divider. At the bottom of the page I design a section for the month's plans and make a little mood tracker. You can choose any tracker you want, such as productivity tracker, habits or reading, but August is a vacation month for me, so the only thing I want to focus on is a good mood. I left an empty space next to the mood tracker, so I fill it with lavender branches. On the next spread, I'm trying out a new content planner, as I now have quite a few social networks and need a place to plan what I'm going to post and when. This month I decided to design it instead of the habits tracker, which I don't do well with, to be honest. I often forget to mark habits, and empty space demotivates me. And on the left side is the sleep tracker. I design it as usual. I write the title in a cloud of purple color, and on the sides I add the planets on the sheet music. To make the drawing look solid, I cut off the tape around the edges of the cloud so that the cloud looks like it is on the foreground. At the bottom of the page I add gold tape with the moon to balance the colors. On the next spread I designed the travel tracker. The design style is the same as the previous month. Starting with the calendar, I make it again using decorative napkin, this month with purple flowers. I always use pencil glue in this kind of design, as it is dry enough and doesn't ruin the paper. Now let's add a little magic, and the calendar is ready. And on the left will be a list of places I want to visit. I decorate them with a frame, which is decorated with lavender flowers and ears on the sides. On the frame itself is made of thin decorative tape. Here you can clearly see that the stem for lavender I draw curved and for ears straight, directed in different directions. This is where my assistant comes to me. She is not happy that I took her favorite resting place and wants to disrupt my video. She's trying her best. I add a caption to the top left corner, a bulleted list, and to balance the space, butterfly sticker to the bottom right corner. The next spread is called 2 lines a day, where I write the important and memorable events for the day. In the header I draw a frame of lavender flowers. Inside the lavender frame I write the title and add purple dots, pollen flowers. And the next page is a gratitude journal page, which I designed in the same style but already decorated with ears. At the end I add the header on craft paper and the spread is ready. Now a little magic and the pages are already colored with the month colors. Lavender page is yellow and wheat page is purple. On the next spreads, I'm making running list for 4 weeks of the month. There is 1 week for page. I probably won't have much to do in August, so this space should be enough. I'm decorating the page with decorative tape and stickers. Well, that's all for today. Thanks for planning with me. Have a bright and productive August. Bye!